Hello.
What are we doing right now?
I am making the fish adapt to the water.
For how long?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? Ayun na yung fish natin.
We have 4 small fish. They
Huh?
checked the compatibility and it was good, so yes. But
So yan. So 4 lang muna lalagay natin. Tapos tsaka natin lalagyan ng more fish para
more fish too?
na?
It's like floating.
Sige, lalagay na natin. But we need to open this one first.
Alright.
Tama mo yung video camera.
Hello.
Sige. So, open na natin siya. So, tanggalin natin kung cover tayo. Are you excited?
Yeah. It's at 1%. I mean, it says 2%.
Papakainin mo siya palagi every day.
Every day, we feed it. Yeah. Yes. I want to show it quick tour.
Lalagyan mo natin siya ng
T-shirt.
for fish muna.
Yeah, it's a tour.
Okay. There you go. Welcome to your new home.
Woo! It's in the water. Oh, they're solar though. Yes. There's officially fish in this tank. It might not be noticeable.
Happy ba sila sa bagong
Yes.
house nila?
It is noticeable.
Huh?
Kind of. They're just living their life. Hey, where's the 4th one?
Yeah, the water is too cloudy.
Yes.
But I already put the... What do you call it?
Too late now.
It's clarity water.
It'll make the water clear?
Yes, but you have to wait for like 2 to 3 days.
Alright, so.
Yung food natin, lalagyan natin. Oh, sige, say something.
Hi.
Sige, say something.
This is tropical flakes. For feeding the fish.
Sige, lagyan natin siya ng just a small amount.
This is what it looks like?
Yeah.
Yes, just a small amount.
Yeah, maybe this is enough for now. Can give them more later. Oh, sige.
Alright, time to feed the fish again. Because they don't listen last time.
Let's see.
Go. Oh, they're seeing it. Yay! One of them saw it.
Nakain ba?
They're so confused.
Ha?
Eat. No, 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 no. Fish food.
Oh.
Hey, they're eating it. I mean, one of them is eating it. So, there are 4 tiny fish in here. They're all going to the top or over here. We just put them in. And we just fed them. They aren't really going in this area. Some of them went to this heater thing. And yes. I think they're seeing their own reflection. Here's one. Here's the one, yeah. Bye. Just giving you an update.
Sige.
Pet the fish and we really don't care. Was that a good take? Yo, can you hear me? Was that a good take? Just to make an update, they're still going there.
Tayo ka.
They're going here, always. Yeah. Soon we'll have more fish. Yes.
Sige, bigyan mo sila ng names.
Alright, that one over there is koi.
What?
That
Anong
one
name
in the
niya?
What?
Anong name nun?
That one
Yeah.
right there. Wait. That one somewhere right there. Their name is koi. The one with the bigger spots is named. Alright, let's name our fish. The ones with less spots, their name is koi. And the one with the bigger spots, somewhere right there, is named. I don't know. That's the only thing I can think of.
Botchokoy.
What does that mean?
Botchokoy. Say Botchokoy.
Butchakoi.
Yeah, Botchokoy.
Yes, Butchakoi. There is two more, but I cannot find them. The one up top right there, their name is Under the Sea. Just kidding. That fish with the blue tail should be named, what is it?
Procorpio. Procorpio.
Feel like if I say it, I'll be
Say it.
Procopio.
Procorpio.
Procopio. And that one with the black tail, that should be named Checkers. Yeah, Checkers. Yeah.
Anong title ng pinapanood mo?
What?
Anong title?
This one, my friend recommended to me. Alright, let's see what she named it. The one with the less dots is koi. The one with the big dots, I don't know. The blue-tailed one is named Butchakoi.
Botchokoy?
And the black one is named Checkers.
Checkers, oh. How about the other one?
I need to think of it.
Ano yung title ng pinapanood mo?
This.
What?
This.
Basahin mo.
It's this.
What's the title?
To all the boys, BS, I still love it. Yes!
Anong story niyan?
Story. Alright, story. Can you hear me? Hi. I finally thought of the second fish's name. Their name is Laura Jean.
Lord Jean?
Yeah, LJ for short.
LJ. Lord Jean.
So let's go over it.
Sige.
Where is it? We can't even see them, so let's just do that.
Sige.
Alright, so if you see a fish with small black dots, their name is koi. If you see the same type of fish but with bigger dots, their name is Laura Jean, LJ for short. If you see a fish with a blue tail, their name is Butchakoi. And if you see a fish with a black tail, their name is Checkers.
Yeah.
Alright, gotta memorize that. So yeah.
Sige. Ano yan? Grades mo?
Alright.
Sige.
I'm
Ano yan?
explaining. Wait. I'll
First,
be
second
explaining
term?
my grades.
Sige,
Yes,
sabihin mo
it's
kanina.
second term, not
Sige. Sige.
Alright. For English and language arts and literature.
Anong grade mo sa English?
Last time it was a B, now it's an A.
A? Very good.
Alright. So, for math,
Mathematics?
yes.
Anong grade mo sa mathematics?
Surprisingly A again. I don't know what GLP means. For science,
For science?
I got an A.
A?
Yes.
Very good. Ay. Saan ka na?
Alright. For social studies,
Social starts. Anong grade mo doon?
A.
A?
Yes.
I see.
Yes, it says A.
Very good
And then for phys ed,
Physical education?
Yes.
Anong grade mo dyan?
A.
Lahat A Ano pa?
And for French as a second language, I'm led the best in my class, so I got an A.
A?
Yes.
Both
Yes. For music,
Very good.
I like A.
A? Very good
And for art,
Hmm.
I got A.
First
Art. I
and
got
second
A.
term?
Yes.
Good job.
And yeah, that's it.
Good job Like father, like daughter?
What?
Huh?
You got all A's?
Yeah.
Wait, is this true?
Like father, like daughter?
Yes. I'm gonna do a summary of the whole day. So basically, alright, I woke up, I went downstairs, we went to church.
Sige,
We
tapos?
bought a fish, 4 fish.
So after natin nag-church, anong ginawa natin?
We bought fish.
Saan natin binili yan?
Petland.
Petland?
Yeah, a pet store. Alright, I'm gonna go over their names. What are you doing?
Luluto na beef.
He is cooking beef, to be translated into English.
Yung tayo ng beef nilaga.
He is cooking beef nilaga. Is that right? It's dinner for today.
Beef
Yes.
nilaga.
Yes, it's the food beef nilaga. Now what are you doing?
Gugugas. Mag-uurong. What's you?
Before?
Hello, so where are we going now, Sophia?
I'm going to buy fish.
Going to buy
Fish again?
fish? Okay. So before that, we will go to mailbox first. So yan guys, tinitingnan ni Sophia kung meron kaming mail. So yan guys, dito na kami sa Petland. Bibili kami ng fish. Kasi 4 lang yung fish namin. Masyado kasing maluwag yung aquarium sa 4 na pirasong maliliit na isda. So kaya kukuha kami ng nadagdagan namin siya. So hindi namin lang kung ilan yung dadagdag namin na fish. So Petland. O yung ano mo, yung cut mo, Sophia. Gusto ni Sophia magkaroon ng cut. Sige. Liga nito, tingin tayo ng fish. Ha? Kaya pag nandito kami, lagi niyang tinitignan yan. Pangarap daw niya magkaroon ng cut na alagaan. Guys, pauwi na kami ni Sophia. Ang fish yung binili natin sa
Going down.
Dalmatian. So, bali 3 lang yung binili namin na fish. Kasi need daw ng after 1 week bago mag-add ng ibang fish. Eh, open yan. Actually, dapat 6 yung bibili namin ng fish pero in-advise na 3 daw muna ang bilhin namin sa ngayon. Kasi parang mamamatay daw pagka yung binigla namin siya. Lalo kasi yung 3 na gusto namin kunin is ibang klase, ibang klase ng isda. So, hindi daw advisable yun. Pagsamahin yung magkaibang klase ng isda. So kailangan daw muna mag-wait after 1 week bago i-mix. Ayan, pauwi na kami. See you guys. Take tayo dyan. Lahat ng ulo. Sige, mix mo na. Sige, mix mo na yung fish. Play na sila dyan mamaya. Ayan na. So, dagdagan na ng 3.
Alright,
So, bali,
they're not fighting.
how many of them now?
7.
Oh, 7 na siya.
Alright.